Hey guys, it's Mike. I'm here to do a flashlight review on the Bushnell Pro 400. It's 400 lumens, aircraft grade aluminum. It's a really nice little flashlight. It's got a tail button. It's got a pocket clip. It's impact resistance to 1 meter. High mode is 400 lumens. Low mode is 51 lumens. Strobe light is 400 lumens. On high, it'll run for 3 hours. On low, 21 hours. Strobe, 4 hours. Runs on CR123A batteries. It's water resistant. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to give it a shot. It's got this, the only thing I don't like about this flashlight is it's got this little lock, so it stops you from turning it on, but it moves too easy. So if you have it in your pocket or your pack, it sometimes comes on. But it's a good little flashlight. I've been using it for like 4 months. Let's go to night testing. Okay guys, I'm out here I'm up at Mission Creek for the night, and walking down the road. As you can see, it's completely dark. This is my flashlight. This is the Bushnell Pro 400. It's 400 lumens. This is on high, and I could probably see, I'd say a good maybe 100 feet in front of me. You can't really tell on a GoPro. That's high. That's low, which you can't even tell. And that's strobe. It's a pretty good flashlight. It lights up enough on the road to walk safely. Oh, look at this. We got, looks like coyote, maybe even bear, because they do have bears up here. I'm getting away from the flashlight review. But for 19 bucks, this is a pretty good flashlight. It's strong. I haven't tried the water yet, but I will. But yeah, we're out here Mission Creek at the Stone House. And the price for this little flashlight, got it for 19 bucks.